The world's big manufacturing economies struggled in October. That was the sign from business surveys released on Monday. Factory orders were hit by weak US demand and President Donald Trump's tariffs. The Eurozone Purchasing Managers Index, or PMI, showed factory activity stagnated as new orders flatlined and headcount fell. Export powerhouse Germany showed little sign of recovery as production growth slowed again. France's manufacturing sector stayed weak while Italy's contracted marginally. Factories had their strongest month in a year in Britain, which is outside the EU. But the recovery was driven by a one-off bounce from the restart of production at carmaker Jaguar Land Rover after it was hit by a cyber attack. Trump's visit to Asia last week led to some progress in trade negotiations with the region's large manufacturing economies. However, exporters are still cautious about US demand. PMI data showed Monday manufacturing activity in China grew at a slower pace last month while it fell in South Korea. Export orders in both countries also declined. Friday's official PMI survey confirmed China's factory activity fell for the 7th straight month. Analysts argue it suggests an earlier export rush to get ahead of US tariffs had ended. Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping agreed to de-escalate tensions in a meeting in South Korea last week. It included a one-year delay in reciprocal tariffs. But analysts say the agreement does little to address a deeper divide between the world's two economic superpowers.